How to cancel a bet on Fanduel. Now, unfortunately, you can't cancel a bet once it's been placed. That is common policy across most sportsbooks. However, here are a few potential options you can explore if you want to adjust or mitigate a bet. You can use the cash out feature. So Fanduel offers a cash out feature for some bets, allowing you to settle the bet early before the event finishes. The amount you can cash out will depend on the current odds at the time and maybe more or less than your original wager. How to cash out? You will go to the My Bets section of your account. If the cash out button is there, you'll see a button next to the bet showing how much you can settle for, and you will click on cash out to finalize. You can also wait for the bet to void. Some bets may be voided automatically if the event doesn't happen as scheduled, like if the game is cancelled or postponed. In this case, your wager is fully refunded. And the last thing that you can do is contact customer support. So if you believe that the bet was placed in error due to technical issues or accidental duplicate bet, you can try reaching out to Fanduel's customer support. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.